those are cute babies. What are you doing? Hi, cutie. Hey, go play. Go play. No, you want to come? Oh. Hi, Trillian. Hi, baby. Oh, hi, little Ford. Hi, little Ford. Oh, my goodness. What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there, Arthur? Hi, cutie. Are you cute? Oh, are you going to get me? You are going to get me. Oh. Hi, funny. Oh, are you prancing? What? What? Hi, babies. Oh, did you knock her off? Where are you going? Are you feeling frisky? I think you are. I think you are. Somebody's peeping. Hi, cutie. Why are you so peeping? There's food over there. Hi, Trillian. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, babies. Oh, hello. Hi, cuties. What? Peep? Peep? What? Yeah. Goofy babies. Did you just bark at me? You just barked at me. What? Silly babies. Are you frisky? Did you just fall off? You goofy. What? Hey, who's chomping my elbow? Oh, dork. Hi, cutie.